Hi everyone. Today, I'm gonna show you how to convert a solid body into a sheet metal part in Autodesk Fusion 360. As you can see, this part is currently a solid body, and we want to turn it into a sheet metal part. This piece has a uniform thickness of 5 millimeters. You'll notice that the edges of the part are sharp. First, we need to round off the edges. The question is, what radius should the curvature have? The answer is to go to the sheet metal rule settings. By default, the sheet metal thickness is set to 6 millimeters. We need to change this to match the current part thickness, which is 5 millimeters. Next, adjust the bend radius to match the requirements of your machine. In this case, I'm setting it to 3 millimeters. The next step is to round the edges. The inner radius should be 3 millimeters. And the outer radius should be 3 plus the thickness of the part, which is 3 plus 5 equals 8 millimeters. Once that's done, all you need to do is use the Convert to Sheet Metal command. Finally, you can create a flat pattern as usual. I sincerely hope this video will be useful to you.